Now we are having case 4. Here is the figure. Now in case 4 what it is? Equation of a circle when center lies on y-axis and origin lies on circle, or you can write it when center lies on the y-axis and circle passes through the origin. So we are having case 4 when center lies on y-axis and origin lies on circle. Now when center lies on y-axis, then h is equal to 0 and radius of circle is equal to k. Now substituting h is equal to 0 and r is equal to k in equation 1, we get x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. X square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to k square. Required equation, it is x square plus y square minus 2ky is equal to 0.